Are you fed up with slow and unreliable internet? It's frustrating when you're trying to watch your favorite show, play an online game, or browse the web, and all you get is buffering and lag. But don't worry, there's a solution. HTTP Custom is here to give you a fast and stable connection. With HTTP Custom, you'll be able to browse, stream, and play games smoothly. Let me show you how to set it up in just a few easy steps. First, head over to the Play Store. In the search bar, type HTTP Custom and make sure it's the one from EO Dev Team. Once you find it, tap the Install button and wait for the app to download and install. When it's done, tap Open to launch the app. Now let's get everything set up for a smooth and fast connection. The HTTP Custom dashboard gives you everything you need, but before you hit Connect, let's adjust a few settings. First, enable UDP Custom and DNS. This helps optimize your connection for better performance. Next, you need to add your account. If you're unsure how to create one, check out the step-by-step guide on this channel. Now click on the puzzle icon and select UDP Tweak Settings. Here's what you need to do. Set the TX, transmit, and RX receive to 30. Make sure the buffer size is 64. This is the default value. These settings help optimize your connection for a seamless browsing experience. Once you've set them, click Apply to save the changes. Now that everything is set up, it's time to connect. Just hit the Connect button and wait a few moments for the connection to establish. And that's it. You're now connected and ready to enjoy fast, uninterrupted browsing, streaming, and gaming. If you found this tutorial helpful, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this. And if you have any questions or need assistance, drop a comment below. I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your fast internet connection.